Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, NorthCoastT here. Today we're working on a 2005 Cadillac STS4. More specifically, we're going to be adding a new remote. We have one that works. Bought another. We're going to be adding this remote to the car, so we got to program it to match the vehicle. For this, you're going to need a door key, a working remote, and then your new remote. If you have your manual, this information can be found on section 2, page 6, matching the transmitter. So let's do this. You have to have your recognized key fob with you and the ignition key, and the vehicle must be off. So we're going to insert the key in the door, driver's door lock, and turn it to the unlock position 5 times within 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll hear the door chime inside. And on the display, it says ready for key fob and whatever number you have. It'll tell you how many are already programmed. Place your key fob in the center console, buttons facing out, and leave it there until you hear a chime. If you listen very closely, it was not a door chime. It was actually a mechanical sound, but I actually didn't even realize it made the sound until a few seconds later. To remove the key fob from the center console, you press the unlock button twice, and that's programmed. And there you go. Now you have 3 transmitters. You can learn up to 4 fobs for a specific vehicle. Hope this helps you out. Thank you for checking out my video, and I hope you have a great day.